During the day?
Yes.
Oh,
that was the high.
We're gonna get spoiled here then.
Thank you.
We got in pretty late, so we were very happy to find Daniel waiting to give us a ride to the Paris. It's always good to pull up and see the lights on the Paris. And I don't know if it's the chandeliers or the clouds, but we really enjoy the atmosphere in the casino. Since it was almost midnight, we were also very happy to find the time in the check-in was still open. Makes for a nice easy check-in. We got up to our room. It's a Petite Suite with a little sitting area. TV comes up out of that center console. Nice comfortable bed. Mindy's got her own area here with a closet, a makeup table, jacuzzi tub. Very nice comfortable bed. Room's got 2 floor-to-ceiling windows, a writing desk, sitting area. That coffee table comes in very handy. And here's my closet, my bathroom area, stand-up shower. It's not quite as special, but it's my space. Oh, over by the entrance, we've got a nice sized dance floor, a coffee bar, and a fridge underneath that coffee bar. Here's why the coffee table comes in handy. You can get steak and eggs delivered any time of day, and fast too. A small part of me was really hoping she'd get stuck in. That'd make a good video. Did you get it?
Yeah. I heard it bounce off my shoe and I was like, where'd it go?